I'll be showing you how to add game passes to your Please Donate stand. As you can see, I already have multiple passes here. So to create new ones, all you have to do is you need to first of all exit Please Donate game and go back to the Roblox.com page. So all you need to do now is click on create and you should be taken to this page, create.roblox.com. All you have to do is click on it. Scroll down to the monetization tab. You may need to expand it, and under it you will find passes. Click on passes. And then click on create a pass. You have the option to change image. I will not change image, and I will write something like big donation. And you have the option to also write a description. I will just click on create pass. Then I will click on the new created pass. Click on sale. Click on item for sale, and I will write 150 Robux. As you can see, Roblox takes their fair share. They take 30%, so you will only receive 70% of the actual sale. So in this case, I would receive 105 Robux instead of the 150 Robux. Then just click on Save Changes. Go back to Please Donate game. Go to stand and claim it. And as you see, it has been added. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.